Hello everyone, welcome to English Corner. I'm Aisha. Today we will talk about English with Ustaz Udin.
Yay!
Hello Ustaz, how are you today?
Hello everyone, I'm good.
I'm really excited to be here today, Ustaz, and we will talk about something important. Is that true?
Yes, we were going to talk about how English learn easy. This is important to improve your English skill.
I think English is important because it is all over the world.
Exactly, English is a global language, so I will give you some tips to learn English easy. Start from the first, practice speaking daily. Try speaking in English every day, even if it's just a few words or sentences. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Second, watch cartoon in English. Watch your favorite cartoon or shows in English. This helps you to learn new words and get used to how English sounds. Third, read simple books. Start with picture books or books with easy words. Writing and reading helps you get new vocabulary and sentence structures. And then plain language games like flashcards maybe, and then online apps to practice new words and phrases. And then you can get next step with learn with song. Singing song in English is a fun way to get new words and improve your pronunciation. And next, use flashcards. Create flashcards with picture or words on them. And this is helps you remember new vocabulary. And then label things around the house. Label sticks on object with their English names to help you remember them. And then ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask your teacher or friends for help if you don't understand about something. This is important for students especially. And then practice writing. Start writing short sentences or a diary in English. Writing helps you to think in English and improve your grammar. And the last, stay patient. Learning a new language takes time. Be patient and celebrate small progress that you make every day. These tips can make learning English fun and easy.
What a good tips!
Yeah, don't be afraid to learn English.
Yeah, I think English is important because it is all over the world. Okay, thank you so much for the tips. And
You're welcome. I hope very useful to all of you.
let's start. Thanks for watching, my friends, and see you next time. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.